and welcome. Woo! So exciting. I hope you enjoyed the crafts from last week. This week's craft, this is Tuesday's craft, and this will be a picture frame that we are going to make today. So this is what you will receive, minus the back part. We'll take that off for right now. But you will have the back part as well that you will assemble on. So let's get crafting. And I'll tilt the camera down here so that you can see what it is that I'm going to do. Okay. So here is your picture frame. And what we are going to do first is there will be a center foam part in this frame that you can pop out, and then inside of it will be these two half discs. Now you want to save these because these are going to be for the bottom of your frame, so that when you are done and have your picture in it, you can set it on a table or end table or whatever you'd like. So we'll set those aside for now. And what you will need for this craft is you're going to be getting an assorted combination of Poms, pipe cleaners, maybe even some Google Eyes. And then you will need glue for your craft and some crayons or markers. Either one will work on the surface, which is great. So let's begin. So I decided I'm gonna make mine kind of into a face frame, kind of fun. This is all your creation, so you can do whatever you think will be fun. All right, so I'm gonna put a couple dots of glue here for my eyes. Set those on. And then let that dry, and then I will start with my creation here. And I've got some Poms. I can glue those on as kind of a side decoration. Kind of go around the outside. And I've got some more in here. I also have some of these things that you can use as little hair pieces or eyebrow pieces. Just to be kind of fun. Glue that on. And let that dry. Got one that looks like this. Okay. Got a pipe cleaner here. I can use that. Put that on there as some highlights for my face. Or maybe you want to even make it into eyelashes. Again, it's just all fun. Okay. Another thing of glue down here. That one kind of came off. Zigzag or curl or whatever you like. All your creativity and making your projects fun for the summer. Okay, we'll let that hang out there and dry. doesn't seem to want to, but I'll make it. Okay, so then I'm going to glue a couple more times on the other side to even out my look on my frame. Another glue dot right there. One up here. One here. And I'm just kind of showing you the array of things that you can do. I'll give my face some freckles, because freckles are always cute. And maybe a little nose right here too. Perfect. Okay, down at the bottom I'll show you how the crayon works. You can use this to kind of fill in. You can see that. Use this a little bit here. Okay, so that works as well as the marker. Kind of filling this in. All right. So, once you are done with your color and your creation of your frame design, and it is completely dried, stick my pipe cleaners back on here. I'll kind of press on those for a few seconds to really get them to set down and set in there. You'll probably want to do that as well. Okay, then on the back of your frame, what you will do is you are going to take this backing paper that will be in your craft bag. You are going to glue or tape, I taped on mine, 3 sides. So bottom, side, side, leaving the top area open so that, of course, you can slide your beautiful glossy inside. There we go. So tape or glue, that is up to you and what you would like to use. Oh dear, obviously I didn't let my project hang out and dry long enough. Okay. And you can rearrange things as it's drying. Okay, then at the bottom, what you will do is you have your half discs. These slide on the bottom into the frame, just like so. And when you're ready to present that beautiful creation you made, and then your picture inside, it'll stand up just like that. Whoops, I'm kind of leaning down here. Okay, so enjoy crafting and making your photo frame. I'm sure it'll be amazing once it's done. Send in photos and we'll post them on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching, and keep on crafting.